Welcome to this peaceful journey into bamboo craftsmanship and garden harmony. Today, we explore how to create your own bamboo fence, a key feature in Japanese garden fence design. This isn't just a barrier, it's a work of living art. Whether your space is large or small, this DIY garden idea will bring structure, beauty, and serenity. Let's begin by understanding the role of a fence. In Japanese gardens, unlike typical walls, a bamboo landscaping fence whispers rather than shouts. It defines space. Without dominating it, it offers privacy while inviting the breeze. It's humble, yet profound, guiding the eye while letting nature speak. Before you build, observe your space. Does your garden need privacy, framing, or simply a sense of enclosure? A Japanese garden fence responds to its surroundings. Sketch your layout, consider natural light, and decide how your fence will interact with paths, trees, and open views. Choose your bamboo carefully. Fresh bamboo is beautiful, but for fencing, cured bamboo lasts longer. Look for poles that are straight, golden, and free of splits. You're not just building a fence, you're shaping a visual poem in your landscape. There are many traditional styles to choose from. One of the most iconic is the Takagaki fence. Simple vertical bamboo stalks lashed together with black twine. Each style reflects different garden philosophies, from containment to contemplation. This is where Japanese garden fence tradition meets personal taste. Now gather your tools. All you need is a hand saw, a drill, some natural fiber twine, and maybe a chisel. Keep it simple. Japanese design favors elegance through restraint. These DIY garden ideas come alive when you work with intention, not excess. Lay out your bamboo pieces on a flat surface. Measure twice. Cut once. As you handle each pole, imagine its story. Once part of a swaying grove, now becoming part of your quiet sanctuary. Bamboo isn't just material, it's a symbol of grace and resilience. Create your support posts first, whether you choose wood or thick bamboo for vertical supports. They must be firm. Sink them into the ground deeply to ensure your fence stands steady. Through time and wind, strength is found in quiet grounding. Next, place horizontal rails to give your structure shape. In many traditional Japanese garden fence designs, these rails rest behind the upright bamboo, allowing the verticals to shine. It's a subtle touch that adds balance and order without shouting for attention. Now comes the lashing, the artful knotting of twine that holds the bamboo in place. Take your time. The twine should be tight, but elegant, like a calligraphy stroke on the page. Each knot is a gesture of care, part of the peaceful landscaping craft. With your structure in place, step back and admire it. Already, the energy of the garden shifts. The bamboo fence creates a gentle backdrop that makes every rock, shrub, and path feel more intentional. You're not just building, you're revealing harmony. Consider adding a gate or opening in Japanese design. Transitions matter. A simple bamboo gate, perhaps with a horizontal crossbar or arched top, invites exploration. It signals welcome. It turns your garden from a space into an experience. What about height? A low bamboo fence defines space without hiding it. Perfect for open views. A tall fence adds privacy and mystery, encouraging quiet meditation. Choose what suits your garden spirit and your own need for solitude or openness. Think of placement. Bamboo landscaping shines when paired with stone paths or mossy corners. Position your fence near stepping stones or water features to create layered depth. Let the fence frame moments like a camera lens, capturing stillness. Let's talk about color and aging. Bamboo naturally weathers to a silvery tone, blending gently with earth and foliage. You can oil it for golden warmth or let it fade with grace. In Japanese garden fence tradition, time is not a threat, it's a companion. For a rustic style, leave your bamboo ends raw and uneven. For a clean, minimalist look, trim each pole with precision. Both styles are beautiful. Let your fence reflect your garden's personality, formal, wild, or somewhere in between. Consider mixing bamboo with wood or stone. A bamboo panel between two wooden posts or above a rock base adds depth. These DIY garden ideas don't need to be rigid. Fusion can still feel authentic as long as it respects the spirit of nature. Maintenance is part of the beauty. Each year, check your lashing, Replace any weathered twine. Clean the bamboo gently with water and a cloth. This quiet care is meditative. It's how a peaceful landscaping structure stays alive. Don't forget the sound. As wind passes through the fence, it may creak gently, or the bamboo may knock softly. This subtle music is part of the experience, a reminder that your garden breathes. Listen as much as you look. Now let's explore other shapes. Diagonal lattice work, called yatsungaki, offers a more open pattern or build. Kinkakuji-style fences with tight horizontal slats. Japanese garden fence styles are varied and expressive. Find one that sings to you. Add details: a small carved top, a decorative join, a stone base. Each element is a chance for storytelling. Your fence doesn't just block or divide, it holds meaning. Let it carry the same care as a bonsai or a lantern. Lighting matters. Imagine a warm glow falling across the fence in the evening. Paper lanterns or low garden lights. The bamboo glows amber, and the shadows deepen the textures. This is where bamboo landscaping becomes pure ambience. Create contrast. Place soft plants, like ferns, hostas, or moss, beside the structured bamboo. The balance between hard and soft line and form is a key Japanese garden idea. Your fence is the quiet strength beside flowing green life. You might also experiment with curved fences. Though more complex, a gentle arc of bamboo can feel more organic, like a hill or a stream's edge. In Japanese design, straight lines are rare. Nature favors asymmetry and grace. Think beyond fences. What about bamboo screens? Portable, movable panels can define spaces without permanence. Great for renters or changing seasons. These DIY garden ideas bring flexibility without losing tradition. Some choose to write a small haiku or name plaque for their fence, a quiet word, a poetic phrase. This tiny detail adds soul. The Japanese garden fence then becomes not just structure, but an invitation into your way of seeing. Take one final step. Sit beside your finished fence. Let the light shift. Let birds pass. Let the wind speak. A fence, in this tradition, is not a wall. It's a frame for stillness. And you, the gardener, are both builder and listener. From a humble material, you've crafted something timeless. Bamboo speaks of patience, lightness, and resilience. Your hands gave it purpose. Your garden gave it meaning. This is more than DIY. It's a spiritual craft, one lash at a time. So now, look at your garden with your fence in place. Something has changed. It's not just what's built, but how you feel. Calmer, more rooted, more aware. The art of bamboo fencing brings more than beauty. It brings presence. Thank you for joining us on this peaceful journey through Japanese garden fence building and bamboo landscaping. If this inspired your own DIY garden ideas, we invite you to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, may your garden grow in stillness and strength.